Samsung's new Galaxy S lineup is just around the corner. But what can we expect from Samsung this year, and what can we expect from Samsung in the future? Leaks have been showing that Samsung will make the boxes smaller and ship their new Galaxy lineup without chargers. But what does that exactly mean? Samsung plans to make people spend more money on their product, and this sounds very familiar. Apple is doing the same thing, but what is Samsung going to do in order to replace their charging brick? Will Samsung introduce a similar product to Apple's MagSafe? Nobody knows, but I think it's very likely. Samsung and other big companies have through the years slowly removed things that they usually bring when you buy a phone. First, it was the jack stick, and now it could be the charging port. In the future, we are maybe not able to charge our phones with normal USB-C cables as we know them. But could the new replacement become better than the old solution? As far as I'm concerned, wireless charging causes a lot of heat and charge very slowly. Samsung and other big companies need to come with a solution to this problem before people will use these products. And that's also why I think they didn't include their chargers this year to solve the problems with wireless chargers before they decide to make their new phone without a charging port. Anyway, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and let me know what you guys think in the comment section.